Welcome to the Financial Assistance Application Submittal Tool, FAST, F-A-A-S-T, How-To Series. This video explains how to start and submit an application for the Clean Water State Revolving Fund program. The Clean Water State Revolving Fund, CWSRF program, uses FAST to accept CWSRF applications electronically. FAST is efficient. Online application submittal reduces paper waste and allows your application to be reviewed electronically for faster processing. FAST is accessible, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for your convenience, and FAST is free. You are not required to purchase any special software. All you need is an internet connection and a web browser to use FAST. Now let's learn how to start and submit a CWSRF application in FAST. Go to the FAST website, which is located at https://faast.waterboards.ca.gov. When the Only Secure Content is Displayed pop-up appears, click the Show All Content button. Look for the Log On to FAST heading on the right side of the screen. Enter your username and password and click the Log On to FAST button to enter the system. If you have not already created a username and password, please do so by clicking on the Create Account button and following the instructions provided. The main menu screen will appear. This is where you will start a new application, work on an existing application, view previously submitted applications, and update user and organization profiles. To navigate in the CWSRF application in FAST, there are 4 buttons you should be aware of: Save as Work in Progress, Next, and Previous, and Preview/Submit. To start a new application, click the Start a New Application/Survey link on the main menu. Carefully read through the system disclosure information and use the mouse to check each box. Then click the Continue button. To select the applicant organization, click the Move to Next Page button if you work for the applicant. If you are submitting an application on behalf of the applicant, i.e. you're a consultant submitting on behalf of a client, please click the Search for Organization button. Follow the instructions provided to select the name of your client's organization. In the list of active RFPs and surveys, click on the Clean Water State Revolving Fund, CWSRF, Construction/Implementation hyperlink to select the CWSRF application. The Getting Starting page asks for confirmation of information selected. Confirm the RFP/survey, applicant organization, and the submitting organization. The submitting organization will differ from the applicant organization in the case of a consultant submitting an application on behalf of their client. Click the Continue to Application/Survey button to initiate the CWSRF application. The CWSRF application in FAST is comprised of 3 tabs: General Information, Funding, and Attachments. The bulk of the application is contained in the documents uploaded on the Attachments tab. The General Information tab contains basic information about the project, such as the title, description, and location. The Funding tab contains hyperlinks to the CWSRF application packages and instructions. The Attachments tab contains the uploaded documents requested as part of the CWSRF application. On the General Information tab, there are 3 required fields identified with an asterisk. Enter a project title, description, and then select a responsible regional water board. Click the Save as Work in Progress button to save, and then click the Next button to move on to the Funding tab. On the Funding tab, a description for the program is given. The description contains several program-related hyperlinks. Each hyperlink will take you to one of 4 packages that comprise the application or the instructions for the application. Check the box for CWSRF Financial Assistance Application Construction/Implementation. Click the Save as Work in Progress button, then click the Next button. The Attachments tab is where you will upload the 4 application packages and related documents. For each attachment, select the corresponding option from the Attachment Category drop-down menu. Notice the attachment title field is populated based on the attachment category selected. The attachment title can be edited to reflect multiple files for the same attachment category. Click the Browse button to search your computer for the document to upload, and then click the Open button. Click the Attach Selected File button, and notice that each attachment upload is displayed below, and you can delete or add additional attachments. Please note, at a minimum, the General Information form is required for the purposes of submitting the application via FAST. If not yet available, other attachments may be uploaded to FAST at a later date through the Post-Submission Attachment tab. To preview the application at any time or before submitting, click the Preview/Submit button. Review your application and pay close attention to the attachments. Is the required general information package uploaded? If the answer is yes, click the Application/Survey Completion. The application completion check will display missing information such as project title, description, required attachments, and federal tax ID number. Scroll to the bottom of the screen to view a list of missing information. Required information includes project title, project description, federal tax ID number, and the required general information form attachment. Missing information is displayed in red text. If the application is missing information, click the Back to Application/Survey button and correct the errors. If the application is ready to be submitted, the certification and submission statement will appear. Please read the certification and submission statement carefully. Then enter your initials and click the Submit Application/Survey button. The submission confirmation screen will appear once the application has been successfully submitted. Please note, an email will be sent to the email address on record for the person submitting the application. The next steps in the CWSRF application process include having a CWSRF project manager assigned, having the CWSRF application submitted via FAST reviewed by that project manager, and if the submitted CWSRF application is incomplete, the applicant will submit updated or additional documents in the Post-Submission Attachment tab. And finally, the CWSRF application will be deemed complete by the CWSRF project manager. If you have any questions or need assistance in starting and submitting a CWSRF application, please contact the FAST Help Desk at 1-866-434-1083 or fast_admin@waterboards.ca.gov. The FAST Help Desk is staffed Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thank you for watching the How to Start and Submit a CWSRF Application video.